Same like a beer, you can try. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. If you're non-alcoholic person, if you want to try some like fruit beer based cocktail, you can try. Definitely, you should try this mocktail. The mocktail name is fruit apple beer. This is a non-alcoholic mocktail. You can try. How to make that mocktail? First of all, you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of fruit beer syrups. Yes, very less you have to pour. Okay, after that you have to pour 60 ml of apple juice. Okay, 50 to 20 ml of fruit beer syrup and 60 to 90 ml of apple juice. Simply you have to fill the glass with soda and see this like the same like a beer. Then you have to fill the glass with Sprite. Very simple mocktail. You can try. See, same like a beer. You can try. Okay. Mocktail name is fruit apple beer mocktail with the 15 to 20 ml of fruit beer syrup and apple juice and soda and Sprite. Very simple mocktail you can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.